Okay, this is Jo Baird, and today in this video we will be sewing our panels together for the back size. Okay, as you can see, I have my stitch markers already in place, and it's the halfway point of our panels. So we are going to mattress stitch our back panels to our halfway point, and that will be the measurements for our back. That will be the length for our back. The lengths are different depending on your size. I'm doing a small here, so I will be doing the back. We have our single crochet rows facing our single crochet rows. So what we're going to do is we are going to use our long tails that we left on our panels to mattress stitch our back closed on the Fairland sweater. Okay, so let me get my, here we go. Okay, so I have my long tail here, and we are going to go into that first stitch that it's attached to. Let me grab my other tail and get it out of the way. Now, as you can see, I have both long tails at the same ends, but we're going to use the other long tail to sew the front closed of our panels. But right now we're going to do the mattress stitch on our panels. Okay, so again, we're going to go into that first single crochet, going through both loops, and we're going to go through both loops on our last single crochet on the other panel. Okay, and then you just draw through both loops. Okay, so again, we're gonna go to our second stitch, go through both, and pull through. And we're gonna do this all the way to our stitch markers. Okay, now you can go ahead and do this. This is just, I'm going to keep going until I get to my stitch markers, which will be doing the back part, closing the panels on the back part of the Fairland sweater. Okay, all right, I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna do my stitches all the way to my halfway point, and then we are going to flip our panels over and do the front of our Fairland sweater.